If you want to write better Python code, cleaner, faster, and more powerful, then mastering Python's core data structures is absolutely essential. Hi, my name is Luc van den Ouweland and I'll be your teacher. In this course, you will learn the 4 main data structures in Python: lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. It takes you far beyond the basics of data structures, like creating lists, adding and removing items. After this course, you know exactly why and when to use the correct list type, how to manipulate lists like a pro, like mapping, filtering, or converting one list type to another one. You have practiced Python-specific list operations like unpacking, slicing, and comprehensions. Yes, even after the first chapter, you will be able to go back to your existing code and start optimizing immediately. So, watch a few chapters, and if you like my teaching style, enroll in the course. See you there! The link to the course is in the description.